Hi guys, it's Wednesday and we're all packed. You can see my pillow. We're all packed for the youth retreat. I didn't film yesterday because yesterday was just crazy. First of all, I was usually immediately I woke up, I got to doing things. So and I woke up a bit late because I went to bed a bit late. But yeah, and then today we're going and everybody has just been packing. It's been a lot of bugger. It's been a lot. So I'm already in the car. I'm waiting for my sisters to finish what they're doing upstairs so we can go pick somebody, because we still need to pick someone and then go. Yeah, go to church and then start the journey. I waka, no one, I search and search, no one, I turn around, no one, there's no one like It's raining, but we're going for the evening service.
Like, what am I saying? There is the light of God inside of you. You are the light of God.
This is really nice. This is very nice. Hi guys, it's Thursday and we're going for zip lining. We're going for zip lining and obstacle course and activities, and I'm so excited. Who's that Imam?
First, you have to do it.
Is that Esther? Oh,
Yeah.
No. It's not. Just dumb.
Yeah, I would have just stepped out there and then walked because
Why is she walking like that?
the way she did, I would have done exactly the same.
This is crazy.
You should let them know. They play
The milkshake, that's it. You are the most high God. You are the most high. You are the most high God. You are the most high. Hi guys, so today is our last day here. We're leaving today. After the morning session, we're leaving today, and my scarf is scarfing, man.
Your scarf is scarfing?
Yep. And then there are some
Are
animals
your
here.
shoes are short?
I don't even have shoes on. I have slippers on.
Okay.
There are some animals here that I'm not understanding. I'm seeing goats. Goats. The last time I saw goats,
Oh, yeah.
the last time I saw goats was in Nigeria, and that goat was eaten. And that's like a mini camel. And then that's the cat. And then there's some horses. I don't know where the horses are though. But this is like their stable and stuff. And there are chickens. Those are chickens, right? Yeah. Over with. Today is the last day. Yes, this is the last day. Oh my gosh, we're gonna come. Why? And I'm not excited to go back home because I'm going to New York. But like, this is just, everything is just literally building up because I have more traveling I'm going to do this summer. Hello. Eu cavalo. Cavalo linda, maravilhosa. They close their eyes. Oh, maravilhosa. Tá, cheguei. Meu Deus. Tá lá, careful. Meu Deus. Because I feel like if they can see us, I don't think they will allow you touch them like that.
They're just eating their lunch for the day.
Beautiful Lisa. It's the last day of the year to trip.
Hallelujah.
Period.
My voice is gone, guys. I've shouted. Nicholas, Lawrence, Misire, all of them, they want to kill me. Mr. Lorenzo, Obada, is a lot of all these children. They want to finish me. But I thank God for grace. We thank God for all He has done, all He's doing, and all He will do. We will see you in the YOD Retreat 2025.
By God's grace.
By God's grace, we're excited.
Anything to say, prayer secretary?
Thank God for everything.
Hallelujah.
We will go out now.
Hallelujah.
See you next year.
See you next year. Bye, guys. See you guys on the next video.